As a parent, you want to be like, what you going to somebody's house and nobody home, right? Guess what happens if you said they went on vacation?
They started wanting to tell you.
They're gonna, instead of your kid feeling, they're gonna expound on they're gonna keep talking. You're gonna be getting all the information you need to get without coming across as giving unsolicited advice, without coming across as a parent that they can't tell anything to. But it works with business as well. And then you use tactical empathy. So remember when I said you can feel that awkward silence coming? As soon as you keep repeating the last 2 to 3 words of what they say, and you feel that awkward silence come, once the awkward silence comes, you summarize what you just heard them say by starting the sentence with seems like, looks like, sounds like. That's why they call it tactical empathy. You're not agreeing with anything. Somebody can tell you that this president is the best president I ever had. Seems to be a good 4 years for you. They don't have to know your political stance. You are able to listen to what they say, show empathy by saying what it seems like they're saying, and keep the conversation moving. All right? It proves to the person that you're speaking with, that you're actually listening to them, and you're not just waiting on your turn to speak. So let me show y'all how to put it in action.